Hello, good morning students. Today I will start a double displacement reaction. Okay. Before we starting the double displacement, on that day we have completed the displacement reaction. In a displacement reaction it form A plus BC, it form B plus AC. You can see the other things also. Zn plus H2SO4 it forms ZnSO4 and H2. Zn plus USO4 it forms CO plus ZnSO4. This is a displacement reaction and this is a decomposition reaction. Two things are taking place: electrolytic decomposition and photochemical decomposition. These things it can takes place. Now today I will start a next lecture, that is double displacement reaction. So what will happen in a double displacement reaction? Those reactions in which anions and cations of two different molecules switch places, mutual exchange, means here mutual exchange will take place. AB plus CD it form AD, means this thing will go on this one side and B and C will come on this one side. Let's take a one example. In this example what will happen? Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate, is changed into the barium chloride. It form barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Now I said you think that NaSO4, this Na is A, SO4 is B, fine. In this one this is C, Ba and Cl is D. So what I said AD. So A here is Na2 DCl2, means on both the side 2 is there. It form a 2 on a common side and put it as NaCl. In this one BaSO4, Ba is here and SO4 is here. So B and C together form as BaSO4, which is in solid form. Okay, this was in aqueous form, this was aqueous form, this form aqueous. Now it is common, it is of two types. One is precipitation reaction, second is neutralization reaction. So in a precipitation reaction what will happen? Precipitation is formed. Okay, the arrow of the precipitation is also be there. One arrow is there of precipitation. Okay, aqueous solution of two salts are mixed together, whereby some salts PPT out due to mutual exchange of ions between the two salts. Means there is a mutual exchange. Mutual exchange, like here the mutual exchange takes place, here also the mutual exchange will takes place. How it is so? AgNO3 plus NaCl it form AgCl, coming here Na3 Na it form NaNO3, and this form a white PPT. Next example, we have taken an aluminium chloride with ammonium hydroxide. So what the thing form? It form an aluminium hydroxide, which is a white PPT. It is form a ammonium chloride. You can see it by near also. So this is a precipitation reaction. Some more examples of the precipitation reaction is also be there. Here is CuSO4 and H2S, hydrogen sulfide. What will happen? Cu, it will go on S side, CuS, this form a black PPT and remain as H2SO4, it will come here. Same this reaction also. Next reaction is a neutralization reaction. The reaction of an acid and a base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Okay, in this one what is the form? NaOH plus HCl. So Na and this Cl join together like this. HOH means 2H are here, so we are writing H2O. Next is this next one example is KOH, potassium hydroxide, nitric acid. KOH and KHNO3. So K will go with NO3, that is potassium nitrite, and water is left, which is coming on this one side. This is a neutralization reaction. Again you can see one time more double displacement reaction. Okay, this is neutralization reactions. See it by near, and same notes you can make it in your copies. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.